Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. This week's nail tutorial, I decided to do something different. So I seen this on Instagram and was inspired by this, and I was like, well, if you're at home and don't want to go to a nail salon and want to do your own nails and you feel discouraged for doing this type of nail at home, or you see these Instagram salon done nails and you want to do them yourself, you want them on your nails, and you're afraid or you think you can't do them yourself, well, today I am going to show you how you can do these nails at home. And also, before we get started, go ahead down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also give me a like if you're excited for this video, because I am. So thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so I already have a white base, just a thin one coat, thin white base, which I use LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source to give that white base. So whatever white, put it down onto your nails because we're going to do an ombre. So after I did the thin white coat onto the nails, and I wanted to minimize the mess that I'm going to do with doing the ombre nails, so I put some liquid latex around each of my nails, and you can tell when it's dry, when it goes clear. And if you're allergic to latex, don't do it. Don't use it. I'm not allergic, so I'm using it, and it helps with the cleanup mess at the end. And all I have to do is peel it off, get some tweezers, peel it off. But if you are allergic to latex, you can just dab right on like normal, and this with a Q-tip or even a nail brush and with some nail polish remover, and clean up around the nails. And I did this to minimize my cleanup mess at the end. So next I'm going to do 3 different ombre combos for this nail, inspired by this particular nail design I seen on Instagram. So I had 3 different colors. I didn't do exactly the same colors, but it sure was inspiration. So the first ombre color that I chose to do, which is a light brown at the bottom and a blue at the top or tip of the nail. So the bottom brown is a light brown color from SINFULCOLORS Professional, and the blue that I used is from Pure Ice, and it's called Teal Appeal. So on a makeup sponge wedge, I then combined those two. So by the cuticle I want the brown, so I put the brown at the top and then the blue underneath it, and also kind of mixing the 2 colors so they can have that nice blend when I dab it or swipe it onto the nail. So I then begin dabbing that color and swiping it onto the nail, onto the index finger and pinky. It took me a good 3 to 4 like dab sessions to get the color payoff that I want for this blue and brown. So yeah, so you stop whenever you are pleased to. Isn't that lovely? So the next color way that I did was that same brown by SINFULCOLORS Professional, and I used a yellow from Pure Ice again, and it's called Showstopper. And so I used another part of the makeup sponge wedge and did the light brown first, and then I'll put the yellow on the bottom of it, mixed it a little together, and did another dab session on the middle finger and thumb, which this colorway is going to be on. The last colorway that I am going to do is going to be on the wedding finger, and it is going to be the brown and a purple. So I used that same brown from SINFULCOLORS Professional, and then I used a purple by SINFULCOLORS Professional called Tempest, and it's a nice lovely light purple. And I did a dab session with that on the wedding finger with this colorway, and I did a lot more. I think I did about 4 to 5 dab sessions or more to really get the color payoff. once that was done, because woo, the purple was a pain a little bit, but once that was done, I really like how the blue and the yellow colorways look, but the purple feels a little less perfect as I want it, or as I see it. So then I use some small little nail diamond beads that I love, and I applied some small tiny diamond nail beads all around the cuticle of the purple one on the wedding finger. And so this was done deal. It was just a nice lovely ombre session of wonderfulness. So then I want to seal everything in, and this is when you see your ombre all come together and mesh together and really look perfect. So then I took my Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat to seal all this loveliness in. Okay, so this is what my nails actually came out to look like. You can do this at home. I really hope you liked my nails. So you guys, how do you think these nails came out? Did you like them? Leave some comments down below. If you liked them, leave a like if you liked them, because I really loved it. I really love the yellow combo so much, and I fell in love with it. So did you fall in love with it with me or not? Let me know. So thank you so much for watching. If you didn't do this at the beginning, go ahead and give me a like down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified for all the other videos that I do throughout the week. And also share this video and so others can be inspired by this video, and you can do nail salon type of nails too at home. So why not try? So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate everything that you do, and I'll see you next week with another nail tutorial, girl. Bye.